Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you to one of the most famous landmark in Paris, Galerie Lafayette. If you love shopping, architecture or just pretty views, this place is a must visit. दोस्तों आज मैं आपको पेरिस की सबसे आइकॉनिक जगह दिखाने वाली हूँ. ये सिर्फ एक मॉल नहीं है, ये एक मास्टरपीस है. इट्स सो ब्यूटीफुल दैट you'll forget you are here to shop. As a business student here in Paris, I'm always looking for spots that feel like old Paris, and this building, built back in the 1800s, it's exactly that. आपको मैंने dome तो दिखा दी. Then I was walking through the glass dome, which was even breathtaking. लेकिन हम यहाँ सिर्फ brands देखने नहीं आए हैं, हमें तो souvenirs और थोड़ा me time चाहिए था. So I headed to the gift section to see what I could find for my family and friends. There were a lot of chocolates, Eiffel Tower theme, Paris theme tins. बहुत options थे यहाँ पर. Like I can't even tell you guys. और फिर आते हैं macarons यहाँ के. Oh my god, like have you ever seen those ones? They look just like jewelers. But here, the student reality. A small box can cost 20 or 30 euros, guys. भाई इतने में तो मैं पूरे हफ्ते का लंच आ जाएगा. मगर ये आप लोग देख रहे हो जो 10 यूरो के मैक्रोन्स थे, डोंट बाय इट गाइस, बिकॉज वो बिल्कुल भी अच्छे नहीं थे. टाइम से पहले बनाकर वो लोग पैक करके जो रख देते हैं. इट वॉज नॉट इवन फ्रेश गाइस. बट what can we say on that? So today I decided to just admire the packed ones. They make for great photos. But we are saving money for the master's degree, right? Then me and my friend we were just roaming around taking videos of this miniature house. Like मुझे ये बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. I was thinking of buying this for my niece, but then I was like, I'll come again because it was a bit way too expensive for a student to buy now. But it was super nice. Like at this age, obviously I can't play with it, but I won't mind buying it for myself also, guys. And then, can you see this? Oh my god, पता नहीं ये किसने बनाया होगा. And then I was thinking to buy this Papa Adore for my daddy. But then I was like, no, what if he shouts me for wasting money on these things? Because you know how parents are. यहाँ पर इतनी क्यूट स्टेशनरी थी guys. I love stationery. अगर मेरे जैसा कोई हो तो कमेंट में मुझे ज़रूर बताना. और आप में से किसी ने ये फ्लेवर्स ट्राई किए क्या लिंडोर के? डू लेट मी नो. चलो अब सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट पर चलते हैं. द रूफ टॉप टेरेस. बेस्ट पार्ट, इट्स कम्प्लीटली फ्री. You just take the escalators all the way to the 7th floor. From here you get the 360-degree view of Paris, guys. And then here comes the La Dure macarons, guys. It's the famous one here in Paris. Do try this one out. Chalo milte in the next vlog. Bye.